Here we have a 2016 VW CADDY C20 TDI HIGHLINE. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. We also have this vehicle lowered on adjustable coilovers. We have the silver exterior paintwork. We have the blacked out front grills with the VW badge in the centre. Right to the passenger side you'll find the LED side strips. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, colour-coded side strips. We also have the black trim around the windows with the wind deflectors as well. We have the sliding side door just here, which if we open that up you'll find that we have carpeted flooring at the rear, and as you can see we have plenty of space in here for whatever you may use this van for. Closing that back up, and again up the top you have the brake and roof rails. We also have the rear spoiler as well. Round to the rear you'll find that we have rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have an audible warning, the tinted glass as well. We have the TDI Blue Motion badging. Back round to the driver's side you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior now. So inside of here you'll find that we have the two front seats. Let's just turn that noise off. The two front seats with the seat covers and the red stitching. On the doors you'll find the electric mirrors, heated mirrors, electric windows as well. We have the auto lights just there. If we take a seat inside you'll find that we have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. We also have a stalk just there for the speed limiter and the cruise control. Now if we turn the key and turn the vehicle on, you'll find that this vehicle will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard, as you can see. Moving across into the centre you find that we have some bits of storage here and here. We also have the vents just there, the climate control, we have the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do. Further down you'll find that we have the infotainment screen. On here you find the likes of the radio, so you find the DAB, FM and AM radio. We also have a range of media as well, such as the auxiliary, the CD player, the SD card, USB and also the Bluetooth audio as well. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. We have the SD card slot, we also have the auxiliary as well. Auto start button just there. 5-speed manual gearbox with a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. Further down you'll find we have two good sized cup holders. We have the handbrake as well just there. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.